Hey Tupi, what are you hearing? Is the neighbor cleaning its flat? Yes? Do you hear that? Can you hear the noise? Hmm? I hear it too. Can you hear it? Can you? What is our neighbor doing? Hmm? She's cleaning the flat, right? Can you hear it? Hmm? What is that, Tupi? What is that? What is that? Hmm? Yeah, she's cleaning the flat, all right. She's cleaning the dust, right? Do you want to come over? You want to come over? Hey, Tupi. Tupi. Hey. 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 Hey, Tupi. You want to stay there in your place? Hmm? Come, Tupi. Do you want to eat something? Cereale? Cereale? Tupi, cereale? Unde e cereale? Tupi, unde e cereale? Tupi, unde e cereale, tati? Hmm? Tupi, do you want to eat some veggies? No? Do you want to eat some imuno? Imuno? Unde e imuno, tati? Imuno? Imuno? Unde e imuno? Or you just want to stay like this? Hmm? You want to stay like this? And just do nothing? And let people admire you? Yes? Or do you want me to pet you? What do you say? Hi, Tupi. Hi. Or do you want to gaze at the window? Okay, I'll just leave you and you'll just stay there, right? Okay. See you. Bye.